How to do a duet on TikTok. So the first thing you have to do is to open your TikTok application and found the video you want to duet with. Here I want to duet from TikTok video, the CEO. And after finding the video you want, select the arrow button from the bottom right of your screen. And you want to find the duet choice at the very bottom. Just scroll to the right and you will find emoji symbol named Duet. You can click it. And right here, you can choose the kind of duet you want. From the very left, other people video will become the green screen and you can record yourself like this. And the second one, you can record your video with your full background. And the third one, you can do it like you are having a video call with them. And the last one, you can do it like having a Zoom call with the other video. And after you choose, you can start recording your video by tapping on the red button. After you're done, you can tap the red check mark on the right side of the red button and tap next. Like here, you can just type in your caption and select pause. And there you go. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.